और पाँचदिनिया कार्यसूची मुम्बाईत इंडियन मेरिटाइम उइक 2025 आयोजन करा मुम्बाई नेस्को ग्राउंडत अनुष्ठित करा अनुष्ठान उद्বোधनी अनुष्ठान मुख्य अतिथिरूपे उपस्थित थाके अमित शाह सर्बानंद सोनोवाल और तत्वावधानत अनुष्ठित सर्बानंद सोनोवालर तत्वावधानत अनुष्ठित इंडियन मेरिटाइम उइक 2025 अनुष्ठान 11খন राष्ट्र विदेश मंत्रीओ अंशग्रहण करा देखिबोले पोৱা গৈছে 4খন राज्यर मुख्यमंत्रीओ अंश लय उद्बोधनी এই বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানটোত और 29 अक्टोबरत अंशग्रहण करिब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीये उद्बोधनी अनुष्ठाনৰ पिছত मुम्बाईत सर्बानंद सोनोवाলৰ সংবাদমেল 2047 ভিতৰত भारतवर्षर अंतर्भुक्त हब विश्वर श्रेष्ठ 5খন राष्ट्र तालिकात সংবাদমেলত दाबी केंद्रीय मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल।
Inaugural session was so unique, so successful. Ultimately, this has set the benchmark for the better kind of conclusions of this session till 31st of October. And as you know, Honorable Prime Minister is coming on 29th of October and he will visit our pavilions and also exhibition centers, experience zones, and the address the global gathering. And with the presence of more than 85 nations and also 350 plus global speakers, this is first time happening such a huge scale. The participations of the global maritime nations, their interest, their enthusiasm have been well expressed through this active participation. And also we have the presence of more than 11 ministers from abroad. And as you know, this particular journey is to make India one of the superpower in the maritime sector. And out of these two visions, India Maritime Vision 2030, India Amritkal Vision 2047, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, this ministry, with the support of the people of the country and with the collaborations of the global players, we are marching ahead with a lot of success story. And it is clear now, India by 2047 is going to become one of the top 5 shipbuilding nation in the world. And in the recent past, whatever policy, financial policy have been placed to drive the entire initiative forward with exemplary success story. Now, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Ministers, confidence of the people of the country have been doubled. It is not that we are in the last 11 years could able to double the cargo handling capacity. In somewhere it is 200%, 300% in different vertical. But you know, the confidence which has been generating in the mindset of the people that under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Ministers, India is ready to articulate both the vision into action. And with your kind support, I firmly believe that this particular event is going to be one of the largest maritime gathering in the world. Largest, because you have been to many global events in the different, nations, particularly maritime nation. But among all others, if you make the comparison, then definitely you'll discover the truth. the active, number of participation, and also the leading global CEO, particularly those who are leading players in the shipping line, also in the shipbuilding, in others design, in the different verticals.